Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reduce alarm volume on iPhone. So if you want to reduce your alarm volume on iPhone, maybe the volume is too high and you want to reduce it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to reduce alarm volume on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the clock app. Once you open the clock app, locate and click on the alarm whose volume you want to reduce. Then click on sound. Here you'll be able to select your alarm sound. Now, to reduce the alarm volume here, use the volume up button or the volume down button on your iPhone to increase or reduce the alarm volume. So just use the volume down button to reduce the alarm volume. You see that? So just reduce it. And once you reduce it to where you want the alarm volume to be, hit the back button. After that, go ahead and click on the save button at top right. Literally, this is supposed to reduce the alarm volume. But if this doesn't work for you, go ahead and open the settings app. And on the settings page, you just want to scroll down and click on sounds and haptics. Then it should say ringtone alert. Under ringtone alert, adjust the ring volume level. So if you want to increase it, make sure the volume is at the maximum, and if you want to reduce it, just drag this down like this. You see that? And then you can also turn on change with buttons. If this is disabled, turn this on to be able to adjust the volume with side button or reduce it to your side button. You see that? And then you're good to go. So that is exactly how to reduce alarm volume on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.